How to share screen on Zoom Cloud Meeting. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll show you that how you can share screen on Zoom Cloud Meeting. Okay, so guys, if you don't know, then watch this video. Okay, after watching this video you will get to know about it, how you can use the share screen on your Zoom Cloud. But guys, if you are a host, then only you can use screen share option. Okay, so screen sharing is for host only. If you want to share your screen, you can share it, but guys, if you are a participant, then you cannot use it. Okay, you have to ask the host to make you host on Zoom meeting, and after that you can start sharing up your screen. Okay, so this is how it's work. So guys, let's start a video without wasting any more time. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's begin the tutorial. So here what you have to do is, okay, just open your Zoom, and then let's go to start meeting and let's start a meeting. So here you have to wait because it's takes some times, okay, to connect, and after that we can start up the video. Okay, if you are a participant, then you cannot use the screen sharing option. So this is how you have to use it. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.